really got enough weight in the thing for it to level out.
Okay, I cannot fucking describe how this feels, so I just have to show you.